Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Decentralized Bull Channel. Today, we are going to talk about the recent drop that just happened on Bitcoin and altcoins right now. Bitcoin dropped to $57,000. We didn't see this price for already, I think, 2 months. So, do we have to be concerned? Will we drop more? I will answer all these questions in this video, so make sure you smash the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe and join our Telegram if you're not already inside. Now, what happened to Bitcoin? Bitcoin dumped yesterday. I don't know, I think yesterday it was $64,000 in the morning, and today it's sitting at $58,000. Quite huge drop. We also broke the support at $59,000, which is not so beautiful at all. So we need to be prepared for some turbulent times, I would say. But let's take a look at the charts and see what the charts are telling us. So right now we can see here Bitcoin sitting at 57,474 right now, and it doesn't look good at all. Like, this is the last stop. Like, here we can see, you know, we had a little bit of movements up and down. So this is the last, really the last support now. So if we don't manage to hold the 56,700, then we can expect Bitcoin to drop lower to like the 52, even $50,000 zone, which is not so nice. This is like the price that we've had before in February. So for around almost, I would say, 2 months, we didn't see so low prices on Bitcoin. Now, do we have to worry about? I think, in my opinion, I'm not worrying about anything, because I gladly accumulate more Bitcoin at a cheaper price than now. Like, even if it goes to 50, 40, 30,000, I was buying Bitcoin when it was $20,000 during the FTX dilemma time. So I'm not afraid of the price going down. You know, I know Bitcoin will be a multi-million dollar asset per coin very soon, probably in the next couple of 10, 20 years. So I'm not worrying about anything. I'm just glad I can accumulate more. Of course, my altcoin portfolio is a little bit lower than what it was maybe last week, but not so bad, because I can now accumulate a lot of good projects that are like insanely discounted. For now, next support for Bitcoin would be the $50,000 area. If it doesn't manage to hold here the 56,700, like, in my opinion, it looks quite strong right now. Also, altcoins seem to be more resistant to this kind of dips right now. We can see nothing went more than 20% down today, so not so bad. Not even more than 10% down. So we had Bitcoin drop 5%, and all the market just dropped also similar to Bitcoin. So it means the market is probably not as leveraged as before, but for now I'm just accumulating more. Like, optimism still looks quite nice here on a nice uptrend. One of my favorite tokens. I think I'm definitely going to buy more today. Then we have Matic. I'm also going to buy more Matic. I think Matic looks like insanely good price to buy right now, guys. Just look at this incredible zone here. It looks also like it's creating slowly higher lows, which is nice. So nothing so tragic there. Then we have Soil also holding quite strongly, one of the strongest holders out there, also creating here a higher low quite nicely. Let's see, we'll probably create a new W formation here, like suck, and I expect the price will go probably to $2.50 very soon. Now we have Ordi below $40. We have Pepe 0.0006. We have AVEX, which I'm also accumulating more right now, and BIF dropped a lot. You know, meme coins are the most volatile, so you need to be very careful with that. Besides that, I would say don't stress out and don't use too much leverage. Like, the only people that are like really crying right now are the people who use too much leverage. Like, if you used any leverage in the last 2 months, I would say you most probably got played by the market. Let's say it like that. So you need to be very careful. Always use stop losses and stop profits. You have to think there is no trade that gets liquidated if you use a stop loss, because it always hits the stop loss, and then you get a second chance to with a new trading setup and a new strategy. So that's why always use stop loss, always use take profit, and don't get too greedy. Always take your profits and wait for a new entry price. For this was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.